If you want to learn how to make these delicious fruit popsicles, don't forget to watch the whole video to learn how to make these. Yummy! Hi friends, welcome back! Today we're going to be making healthy fruit popsicles. Let's go, friends! With my sister, Dee. The ingredients that we're going to be using is orange juice, milk, vanilla extract, blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries. The first one that we're going to make is strawberry cream.
Wow!
We need 3 strawberries, milk and vanilla extract. Milk and vanilla. First, let's cut our delicious strawberries. Good job! 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to do it. I'm going to use this one. I did it. Put them in. Need 2 tablespoons of orange juice.
That's nice.
And a splash of vanilla extract. Let's twisty-listy. Okay, let's blend it. I'm not shaking. I'm not in the party. I'm at the party inside. I'm in the party. I'm gonna do it in this one. We made our first strawberry cream popsicle. Let's put it back. Let's pour it, the remainings, into this last one so you can mix them and see what flavor it makes. Are you ready to make your blueberry popsicle?
Yeah!
Now my sister Dindin is gonna make the blueberry vanilla. We're gonna need blueberries, milk, and vanilla extract. I think we just need a couple more. We need 2 tablespoons of milk. Try it into your way carefully here. Now I'm going to add 1 splash of vanilla. Here you go, Dun.
Good job.
Okay, now let's blend it. The next one that we're gonna make is Blackberry Blast. We need blackberries, orange juice, which is my favorite, the vanilla extract.
It's my favorite.
Let's go. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to tell your parents to hit the subscribe and like down below to watch more videos of me, Armine, and my sister, Dindin, at Armine's tea party. We're first gonna fill it up with blackberries.
What are you adding?
Orange juice.
Orange juice. There you go. 1 tablespoon of orange juice.
Here.
There. Now we're gonna add what? Vanilla extract?
Yeah!
One.
Add
Add vanilla, 1 splash. No need smashy. Actually, yes. All of them are good. We're gonna make the rainbow popsicle! Yay! We're gonna need strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, oranges, and vanilla extract. The first thing that we're gonna do is cut 2 strawberries. Here you go. We're gonna need 5 blueberries.
1,
2,
2,
3, 4, 5. 5 blackberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna get 2 tablespoons of orange juice. 1, 2. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Ba-dun-dun-dun. You're right. It's like a darkish maroon. It looks like a darkish maroon. It looks like a red mixed half with dark red. It's like that.
Whoa. You want to try it, Indy?
Two thumbs up. I love it. This one is ready. This is how it looks, guys. See it? Wow. It's kind of like this color, but it's like mixed with maroon. We're gonna top it off with a little bit of orange juice. We did it! We have all our fruit popsicles. We have strawberry topped off with blueberry. We have blueberry topped off with this one, I think. It was this one, I think. We topped the middle off with the rainbow. I'm so excited to try them when they are ready. I think the first one that I'm gonna try is this one. And then which one will you like? Which one? Choose. Choose a favorite.
This one.
That one? Okay, let's go put them in the freezer. We have to put them to 4 to 6 hours. That's gonna be overnight. Bye-bye, puppies. Alright, friends, we put them in the freezer. We'll wait until they're frozen so we can eat them. We'll see you later. Bye!
The next day,
Welcome back, friends. Today we let our popsicles freeze overnight. I think they're ready.
Yeah, that's good time.
Let's go check. My Chicky friend is gonna help me open them. Come on, Chicky, come on. Dun, 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 dun. Moments of truth. Let's see what they taste like. Oh, mine came out easy. Yummy. I feel like biting it. Look it. This is strawberry. Me?
Yeah.
I'll try the blueberry one. The next one that we're gonna try is the blueberry rainbow. Ugh. Look at the blueberries, but I still like it. This it's like kind of like a lightish maroon. Then it gets to a dark maroon. It gets to a really dark maroon.
Because it's rainbow.
I can't do it because I'm holding it. I'm gonna try the strawberry popsicle. How about I give this a 10 out of 10? No, actually 100 out of 100. These are one of my favorite ones, the strawberry. Let's try the blackberry.
What color is that one? Let's see. Ooh, that's a dark purple.
Looks like a blackish.
Mm-hmm.
Because when you zoom in, it's black.
Good, try it.
Good. If you want to learn how to make these delicious fruit popsicles, don't forget to watch the whole video to learn how to make these. Yummy! Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe down below to watch more videos with me, Armine, and my sister, Adina, here at Armine's Tea Party. Bye-bye!